Here we come to the elevators at Lone Star Health in Bryan, Texas. These are classic Dover traditional elevators, and I'm glad that these elevators are still original. These are likely the only one elevators left original, because the rest of them are modded. ANCO insurance is modded. Appears to be under construction. One's burned out on the indicator. All right, we'll get the other elevator car now. The elevator at Creekside Crossing is also broken as well. I fear that may be modded, maybe getting a mod. This one's got a different motor and a much better chime than the other one. Interesting fixture layout on this elevator. It's also got a better motor too. Love that chime. I have the same exact elevator fire service key switch at home. Before we go, Would you look at that fire alarm? Wow. The fire alarm is falling off of the mounting bracket. This system sensor spectral or classic is like literally falling off. What a fire alarm fail that is. And this right here is your older simplex. I think, is that a simplex fire alarm of some type? This is an older fire alarm pull station, while that system sensor spectral or classic is newer. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.